I've done 488 miles, so this should be basically running now. I'm just going to check the cylinder head torques again and whip the plugs out and just check what the mixtures are like. Well, got a little bit on them, but not much. And that one's about the same. So they're all more or less the same. Number one might be a little bit more rich than the others, but I'd rather have it a little bit on the rich side than on the lean side. Right, we'll see what the compressions are now. There were 165, 170-ish. If I can get this to go in. Just have to jam the throttles wide open with something. Right. That's about 176. 76 on that one, so they're all round about 170 mark, so I've come up a little bit from when we're done. I'll go around and check the nuts because they're bound to have eased off a little bit, the bottle cover nuts, and stick the plugs back in. And I've got this clutch pipe there slopped into there because I just left it off because you kind of get the back head nut, so that can go back on now. Well, this is Elvington Airfield, just south of York, and I've brought a Jag down today just to stretch its legs, see what it'll do. Nobody here yet, so it's a bit early anyway. Never mind.
Right.
You notice the difference in surface where you came off the good stuff and onto this.
It'd be nice if it stops like this. Right? That sounds a bit savage, doesn't it?
Well, these straight sixes, you know what they're like. If you don't run it properly, you can hear it.
Aye. What did that do you know?
It lost a lot of water.
Did it?
Yeah, it was steaming when you drove in just now. Apparently it left a lot of water on the track. I don't know about the speed.
No, that's breather, engine breather. Aye. I'll let it cool off and I'll check it, see where it's at.
That's the two timing cords. 117 on the first run, and 114 on the second run. I was expecting a little bit more than that, like, but never mind.
Hey, your Jag went well.
Well, I was disappointed.
It sounded
Listen to you pull off.
It was better on the first run than what it was in the second one.
Oh,
But you know when
yeah.
you're going to full throttle and,
Yeah.
and sometimes you ease a bit back and it goes. I tried that on the second run because the last bit of throttle didn't seem to be doing
How many
everything.
carbs has it got?
2.
Not over carb.
No, it's an over carb.
That's usually when it's over carb.
Aye.
Yes, it
Yeah.
is. Number 250 hole.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have to close the bloody throttle.
To get your best.
Pick it up and
Yeah.
then.
Yeah, and bring it on again.
Gently,
Yes, this looks a bit of a beast. It didn't come out of the Rover factory like that.
No. There's very little rover. Although the engine is a rover.
Aye.
They made them, yeah.
Everybody calls them Rolls Royce, but they're not. They're a rover. After having a 722, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's been road to road.
Yeah.
Have you had a run today in it?
Sorry?
Yeah, Yeah.
What did it do?
161 was the fastest.
161.
Bearing in mind we've done faster with the other engines.
What's the sort of rev limit on it? 3,000.
6-inch stroke machine.
Yeah.
5.4-inch bore.
Yeah, that's what you're always against with the big.
Yeah, that's why you don't make big power out of these big engines. It's not rev hard enough.
Aye.
With piston speed you go too high, wouldn't it?
True, but it should still be a 200 mile.
Well, it's a shame with that Jag. It's a long stroke, you know.
Yeah.
Actually, I often wondered why nobody seems to bother with the 2.4 Jags, and they were a short stroke. They should have been the best.
So you thought if you could get the bore out of it, yeah.
You'd have thought they'd been the best of the three engines,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
But nobody seems to bother
Because the
with
bigger
them.
they got, like you get to the 4.2s and the blocks crack a lot, don't
Aye.
they, between the cylinders?
This is a step too far,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah. I wish I had a quid for every one of them I've had.
Aye, 3.8, sorry, but
And doing the valve clearances on the benches and that, you got to remember not to have both cams in, ain't you?
oh,
Otherwise you
aye,
turn over and bend
aye,
the valve.
aye, that's
So
very
big.
easy, very easy to do.
Yeah,
Aye.
I've done it. I did it. Yeah, first time I did it. Back into Leicester.
You don't have to actually slacken the other cam off much to get it clear, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. But they do sound good.
So what sort of drive did it have on before the timing belt? Was it a chain or?
Gears,
Sorry?
all gears.
Oh,
Gears.
it had a bloody great cast iron gearbox on
Yeah.
the front, and then vertical shafts and bevel gears.
Oh, aye.
I put the heads in the bandsaw and just chopped the front off the
Yeah.
heads.
Yeah.
Because you know, shit at butts, don't it? Either you're going to do it or you're not. And then this is just a guess, but the tractor pullers seem to use a 30mm wide belt.
Aye.
Because you put Merlin cams in to get the lift and duration.
Yeah.
Because the Meteor cams are, you'll never make power with them. And as it turns out, we haven't with this. But then you have to put them in backwards.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because the crank's running the other way. This is running clockwise,
Aye.
and Merlin runs counter.
Aye.
The cam's in the other way, then the exhaust plate becomes the inlet plate. So you can only use the early Merlin cam because
Yeah.
it's symmetrical.
Yeah.
And I twigged this from a bloke in Holland who's got one in a pulling tractor. And I actually emailed him asking him stuff. And he a couple of days he'd get back to you and say, oh well, you have to do this, or
Aye.
in one case it was you have to put a pole up the middle of the crank, get a fucking sledgehammer to get, because there's in the nose of the crank there's a bush that's got lots of splines. It's got a little spline that drives the spring drive.
Yeah.
And then it's got a big spline that takes the starter drive.